So what's up, guys? I am looking like not my best, but my husband brought me out here to this lake. So there you go. Come on, Remy, before it get dark for real with you. Surprisingly, I done ran into my godchildren. Hey, girl, you better lose a nerve, ain't you? All right. Yeah, what you got?
Hold on.
You finna skill some rocks, y'all.
When you throw them, you gotta throw them from the side, like that.
Uh-oh. Dude.
You gotta get it out there.
You see the skill? Dang. That man just... Like, y'all, my husband would pick a fine time to come walk a nature trail. Like the sun.
I was trying to hurry and get done with washing the truck.
The sun is really going down. What quite an adventure. Remember, you ready for your first nature trail? Oh, mama.
Stop doing that screaming stuff.
Why? Look.
That's nature. Look at it.
Oh no. This is creepy.
Is what?
This is creepy, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Babe, it's getting dark already.
No.
I did the sun just go down that fast. Now, I said the sun was going down, y'all, but I ain't say that fast. Look how dark it is in these bushes already. Baby. Y'all, it's a nature trail. Loop 1 mile this way.
No.
Oh, my God. Bro, well, good thing you in the front, because I don't got time. Some Viagra. Oh, Virginia rental.
Oh no. No. We're not finna. Wait.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they don't update. Remy, what do you think about the nature trail? So, girl, you crazy. You gotta watch out because it's getting dark.
What? What'd that say?
Go.
No. No, we're not taking dogs.
Yeah, I really thought my nature trail would have been romantic, but it's like we speed walk. See?
No, don't go.
Whoa. We're here at this bridge, y'all.
I'm trying to get you through it quick because it's getting dark.
I know.
See that? This thing?
What is that? Is it spider web? Right. Here you go.
Hey, you're gonna start running, but you might run into it.
Bro, we took the picture downstairs. Oh, we didn't.
Remy, halfway through the trail, what you think? You?
No, don't go that way.
What you think, Mama? I guess she like it. What do you think about the adventure?
Not good, but a little bit. The only way it could be bad or bad.
What you think, Remy?
Oh, man.
Babe, what you think about the adventure?
That's the brightest light, is what I think.
No! What? Spiders?
God, oh my God.
Oh my god. Now we lost. Whoa. Oh. Make sure we don't wake up.
We made it. There's the exit sign, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Remy, we made it. We made it. Yeah, we did.
Well, we gotta go.
Babe, this man told me, do we want to walk around again? I think not. I would literally walk anywhere in the world with you, but back in these bushes, absolutely not. Let me say this. Hear me, babe. Now I feel slow because I felt so safe because you was walking in front of me, but ain't nobody behind us. Know what I'm saying? Because me and Remy just felt so safe. And then, y'all,
No, I'm not.
we made it. Babe, that's crazy because look, it's light out there, but it is dark in these woods, y'all. It is dark in these woods. That was a lovely, 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 lovely stroll, people.
Yeah.
You know, got a little workout in. And we what?
And we made it to the end.
We made it to back on the outside, boy.
Stop running.
So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the little mini vlog or whatever. Like, we really went on nature trail. Oh snap. We really went on nature trail. How many minutes? I don't know. It was real quick, cause baby, I was finna sit in there with them animals and stuff. Man. So yeah. Now he finna go get some food for his mama. So peace out. We love y'all. Remy, say bye. Say bye bye.